Hello, class 8. A very good morning. Today we are going to deal with the significance of the mountain as we have already dealt with the types of mountain. Okay, so the first significance is the mountain are effective climatic barrier. So mountain, it acts as an effective climatic barrier, or the climate of the places on either side of the mountain are very different from each other. Like in the case of the British Columbia, they have a very equable, like moderate type of climatic condition, and they get very heavy rainfall. While the land on the east of the Rockies, it has extreme type of climate as well as very light rainfall is received. Even the Himalayas act as a climatic barrier. The northern part of the Himalayas, they have this very chilly wind during the winter season that comes from the Arctic Ocean, whereas the lower side of the Himalayas, or the southern side of the Himalayas, they have a pleasant type of climatic condition. Second one is, it is the source of hydroelectricity. So since mountain, they have this very steep slope, that's why hydroelectricity can be generated from the rivers that is flowing in this steep slope. And whichever place does not have coal, like in Switzerland, Norway, they get the electricity supply from hydroelectricity. Some of the mountains can be of volcanic origin. So if it is of volcanic origin, then it is a storehouse of lots of minerals. Like in the case of North America, the Western Cordillera, it provides gold, copper, lead, silver, especially in the states of Nevada and Montana. There's lots of production, or lots of presence of this various kinds of mineral. Not only that, the Andes, it provides tin and copper, gold, platinum, silver. And the Eastern Highland of Australia is also a very important storehouse for copper and gold. Mountains are of great importance to the lumbering industries as well, because mountains, when we say mountains, we always imagine it to be covered with lush green trees. So these trees provide the raw material for the lumbering industry. Like in British Columbia, Washington, Oregon, and softwood trees can be found. In Central America, mountainous land, hardwood can be found. In the Himalayan slope, teak and sal. And in the Scandinavian mountain as well, softwood can be found. Some of the mountainous area where mining is being done, those places are so inaccessible that there's scarcity of food in those places. But the agricultural activities that is carried out in the mountainous area with the help of irrigational facilities, it provides food to the mining communities which are working in inaccessible areas, like Salt Lake City in Utah. Similarly, the Andean states, example Bolivia, grows small quantities of cereal in this plateau region and in the mountainous region, sorry, and then it provides food to the mining communities. Some of the mountainous area are such that there is no growth of any kind of vegetation except for grasses. So those grasses are utilized for the pasture, for rearing the cattle, especially in Scandinavia and Switzerland. But these mountains, they have their set of disadvantages or limitations as well, because it acts as a barrier to sort of communication amongst the people. Not only that, the traffic across the mountain is very limited, and the traffic can be accessible only in the passes. Some of the mountains, they are snowbound even in the winter season. And they can be crossed, those mountainous areas can be crossed only by constructing tunnels. Okay, so it acts as a great barrier in that case. The examples of some of the places where the construction of tunnel has brought about communication is Andes and the Alps. Okay, this is all for today, girls. We will be dealing with the plateau, its significance in the upcoming presentation. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.